So today we're just introducing to you a very important part of our film, a very important character. There is no good without bad, and there is no Ram without Ravan. We're introducing to you Raghav, a very fine actor from the Telugu film industry, Sudhir Babu. The casting for Raghav was extremely crucial. It had a mix of a lot of things, and we found it very difficult of how to cast this part. This character needed to be extremely charming and yet sinister. He needed to be a little vulnerable, at the same time be a very strong contender, be a very strong ally to Tiger's character, probably stronger or you can say better. It was going to be very difficult to find this person. He hailed from southern India, Kerala to be specific. When we started casting, my team and me got together and we didn't know how to do this. Right at the onset, I was very clear that we should not cast anybody and have him pretend to be from South India. We should not cast anybody and have him pretend on screen to be tougher than Tiger. I was very fortunate to come across a video of Sudhir Babu on the internet that showcases gymnastic and dancing skills. My team did a little R&D on Sudhir, and we found out he was a mainstream hero from Telugu industry. We got in touch with him. I had a conversation with him over the phone. He was very polite over the phone. We asked him to meet us in Bombay. He flew across. Only very later did I get to know that he was flying in for a courtesy meeting to say no if I was offering him a part in the film. We got down to chatting, a very informal chat, and had a long conversation about films, about his past, about his part in the film. And very subtly I offered the film to him. And once he heard what I was thinking and my vision for the film, I think very slowly he came on the page, and before he flew back to Hyderabad, he had already said yes to the film. That was just the start of a very long journey that we went through the film, and hats off to him. There's a small AV that we prepared for you. I just think you should see it. Thank you.
Okay. So first time I'm meeting the national media, so I'm a little nervous actually. I would like to tell you, my name is Sudhir Babu, but I'm not related to Chandra Babu, who's the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, because every time I come to North, when I meet new people, at least 1 in 10 will definitely ask me whether I'm related to Chandra Babu. But having said that, I'm sure some of you who must have heard of me, just in case, they'll be ready with the question. So I'm giving the answer for that. I am Sudhir Babu and I'm related to Mahesh Babu, who's my brother-in-law. Even before coming for the audition for this film, even Sabi sir and the entire team didn't know that I'm related to Mahesh Babu and I'm part of a superstar family from the South. So that also gave me a slight good feeling, because without knowing my family background, they've picked me in this film. So I'm actually very proud to be doing this film.
We'll open up for a few Q&As if you have any.
शब्बीर, हर विलेन का एक बैकग्राउंड होता है, पिक्चर्स में अक्सर दिखाया जाता है, तो इनका भी कुछ पिक्चर में बैकग्राउंड दिखाया जाएगा या डायरेक्टली आपने प्रेजेंट किया इनको?
बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड है। एक बात जो शायद धीरे धीरे आ रही है कि इट्स अ बिग रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द रामायण दिस फिल्म। अगर रोनी राम है और सिया इज सीता, देन राघव इज रावण। एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड है। He's from Kerala in the film. There is a base of Kalaripayattu, and his character is actually settled in Thailand, Bangkok. और जैसे फिल्म रिलीज होगी तो आपको इनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में और बहुत कुछ पता चलेगा।
आपने रेफरेंसेस भी लिए हैं क्या रामायण से?
जी बिल्कुल।
सुधीर, आप बताएं अपने कुछ किरदार के बारे में, और कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा पूरे सीन को शूट करना और सारी चीज़ें?
More than that, like when I'm doing Telugu films and all, I feel there wasn't any tough competition from the opposite end. Right now I have Tiger right opposite to me, so it was really tough. I really need to work very hard to match up with him. Yeah, it was tough. It's not easy. At the same time, I was fit throughout my life, so I was right there, nearer to what Sir wanted. So just a couple of months of training, we were there, and we could do it. Yeah.
शब्बीर, आपने लंका का नाम कहीं नहीं लिया है, आपने डायरेक्टली अयोध्या बताया, और अयोध्या में ऐसी कोई घटना नहीं हुई थी कि वहाँ रावण?
आई थिंक मेटाफोरिक है। लाइक आई सेड, इट्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ दैट स्टोरी। दैट्स अ क्लासिक। तो फिल्म में लंका भी देखने को मिलेगी और जलती भी देखने को मिलेगी, हनुमान भी है कहीं, मज़ा आएगा।
सुधीर, वॉज इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू? आई मीन, आपने जो डेब्यू किया बॉलीवुड में वो एक नेगेटिव रोल के साथ किया है, सो वॉज इट रिस्की? डिड यू फील कि मैं नेगेटिव करूँगा तो मुझे आगे रोल्स भी ऐसे मिलेंगे? क्या आपको ये ख्याल आया?
No, I wanted to be recognized as a very good actor. That's my first priority, and I've seen there's a lot of scope for performance in this. I mean, the character I played, the Raghav. If you see like that, even my first film in Telugu, I was a villain, a small size villain, but not such a big villain. From there on, I went on to become to play the lead roles. So I mean, in case you're recognized as a very good actor, surely down the line you'll get to do lead roles also.